everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a very special package that I received from Sculpey, and inside is all their new 2019 products. So I received this package a few days ago. I have already looked inside, but I tried to put everything back. I kind of wish now that I did film my initial reaction, because the whole time I was like like really excited, but I didn't, so I'm showing you today. So inside came this letter, and it has a list of the different things. So it says, we're so excited to share our 2019 new products with you. Our product team has developed some amazing new items to use with our Sculpey oven baked clays and liquid Sculpey. So the things it says I received is a hexagon mosaic cutter, triangle mosaic cutters, liquid Sculpey in the primary and glam metallic variety packs, which I was going to say which are new, obviously. 5 new Sculpey Souffle colours, 3 Primo Colors, 3 Sculpey 3 colours, silk screens, which I'll show you in a moment, and solid oven bake clay conditioner, which sounds very interesting. So I'm just going to kind of start off with what's on top and show you that way, and then I'll also show you close-ups as well. So the very first things on top were the mosaic cutters. Now there's 2 different shapes. There's triangles and there's hexagons. So they look something like this, as you can see, triangles and hexagons, and they look really cool for projects where you would need a lot of the same shape, so obviously like a mosaic. Why am I stating the obvious all the time? So the examples on the front of these packages are a photo frame, and then they've also got a vase that they've made with the hexagons. So on the back it just says, perfect for all skill levels, perfect for creating clay mosaic tiles, great for jewelry, DIY home decor, and more. And then the size for both of the shapes are 1.9 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters, and in inches that's 0.75 inches and 1 inch. So those ones are the first new products. Next up we have the silk screens. So again, I've got 2 different designs that came in the box. There's floral silks, if it will focus, there's floral silk screens, and then there is, I should have looked at it first, nature silk screens. So that's obviously not going to focus with the glare. What these say is it contains 2 silk screen sheets and an application squeegee. It's a fun and easy way to personalize your clay projects with 7 unique patterns to choose from. So what I'm thinking you do is you make something out of clay, and then you use these and you pull maybe liquid clay or paint over. Oh yeah, actually on the back it says use with your favorite paint colors to embellish your clay with beautiful patterns. So you would make something out of clay, you'd put over the silk screen, pull the paint over, and it would have the design on the clay. So they're really cool. Each of these packets actually comes with 7 different designs as well. So I'll show you close up what those ones look like. And next in the box we have the new ranges of Sculpey liquid clay. So I use liquid clay a lot. I mainly use Sculpey Bake and Bond for my projects because I like it to be thicker. I haven't really tried any of the colors yet though. I mainly just use the white one. I do have like the black and a few pearl ones from my previous Sculpey package that I've received. But anyway, these are the new ones. So there's a primary color set. So there's a red, yellow, and a blue included. And then these are what the bottles look like. And then there's also a glam metallic set. And these ones include bronze, peacock pearl, and rose gold, which I'm very excited to try out because one of my favorite colors at the moment is rose gold. So I might use some of those in my projects coming up. So anyway, I'm excited to try those ones out. Next up we have this oven baked clay softener, so polymer clay softener. They have this in a liquid form, but this is like a harder form. So what it says is that it transforms the texture of firm clay into the perfect soft, smooth consistency. So I'm guessing that you would like take a small piece and mix it into your clay or like condition it in, and it will soften up firm clay, which is very similar anyway to what I do with Sculpey translucent clay because it's very soft, so I mix it into my other colors to make it softer. There's a hint, but it is in my other tips video. Anyway, so I'm guessing that's just a very similar thing. On the back it's got some basic instructions. So it says use sparingly, add a small piece of firm raw oven baked clay and knead through and knead thoroughly until clay is desired softness. So only a small amount. I can imagine if you add a large amount, it would be very sticky and stick to your fingers, and it's all gross. I have done that before and it's not very nice. And then, of course, the last new products are the clay. So I will show you these. I might show you the Sculpey ones first, the Sculpey 3. So there's 3 new colors of Sculpey 3. This is what they look like. The names of these colors are teal, which, I mean, is exactly what it is. It's a tealy, like, aqua color, which looks very nice. This next one is like a blue, and this one's called a navy pearl. That's just what that one looks like. And then we also have poppy, which is kind of like a very, it's a red, but it's a very orangey red, kind of like a blood orange kind of red. There's then 3 new Primo colors for 2019, and here's what they are. So the colors are, the red one's called Cayenne. I think that's how you might say it. So again, it's more of an orangey kind of red. This middle one's a grey, and this is called slate grey. So kind of like their elephant grey in the Sculpey colors, I guess. And then there's also navy, which doesn't have any sparkles. It's not a pearly navy. It's just a regular, like, darker blue, which looks really cool. And then, of course, the last range I have to show you are the Sculpey Souffle colors. So they came out with quite a few of these ones. There's 5 of these ones, and these ones are very bright. They've obviously gone for more of a rainbow range in these ones. So starting off, we have the pink one, and this one is called Raspberry. So it's kind of more of like a fluoro pink. Actually, they're all quite very fluoro-y. Fluoro-y. I don't know. So raspberry is that one. Next one, we have the orange, and this one's called Mandarin. So it's kind of like more of a pinkish orange, I guess, but it's not as fluoro. It's still kind of on the verge of fluoro, but it's more muted. So that's what that one looks like. We then have the new green one. This one's called Shamrock, and it's a very, I don't even know how you describe it, like a grass green. I think if you get a pencil set, this shade is usually called like a grass green. So I'm going to go with that. It almost looks like the translucent, I feel like I've got a translucent color that kind of looks like this in the packaging, but this one won't be translucent, obviously. We then have this super pretty blue color, and this one's called Cornflower. Not quite sure why, because Cornflower is, I was going to say Cornflower is white, but it's spelt differently. It's literally corn and then flower, as in the one with the petals. So I don't know if there's a flower called a cornflower. Might have to research that. But anyway, off track, tangent. This one's called Cornflower. It's a very nice blue, again, very muted, almost like a grayish kind of blue. Yep, don't know what else to say about that one. And then the final color we have is this really pretty purple, and this one's called Grape, which I think is a very good description of the color. That's how I would have described it too. So well done, Sculpey. So there you have it. That's a look through the new 2019 Sculpey products in the package that they sent me. I'm really excited to try these out. I'm not sure when any of these will actually be in store or anything. I assume they probably already are somewhere. I think I might do like a few different tests with some of these products, and then I'll let you guys know, or I'll include them in a video, so keep on the lookout for those. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!